Hi guys, it's the professor here. Today we're going to talk about the people on Facebook in the telephone company groups that are looking for the CEO of the company's email so they can complain and get some results. Well, let me tell you what. You're going about it all the wrong way. You see, I used to work for these guys, one of the most hated companies as a matter of fact. And I used to be the guy in my particular area that had to come out and take care of things when you bitched. So I kind of know how it works. Well, I don't kind of know, I know how it works. And the CEO's email isn't going to do a thing for you. First, we'll talk about that. The CEO of these companies, as you can imagine, is a busy guy or a busy woman. They got a lot of stuff going on. And if you think that you're emailing them directly when you send an email to their email, that's not the case. These people have an admin assistant, secretary, somebody that gets all their emails up front. This person looks through these emails to see what they deem is necessary for them to see and not necessary for them to see. A small portion of these emails actually go to the president of the company. Now you'll say, how the hell do you know that if you were a lowly technician? Well, in fact, I used to be a lowly company technician that worked on the telephone company's own internal voice and data network, which included email servers and the sort. Been in the president's office many times. Got a picture of me sitting in the president's office one day with my feet up on his desk, leaned back in his big easy swing king chair. Thank God he didn't catch me. But anyhow, I have seen firsthand the small amount of emails that go to the telephone company president's desk. So we're going to just get that idea out of your head right now and cancel that out, because you're already on the right platform to complain and get something done. Facebook. Now, the problem is where you're complaining in Facebook is most likely not the right place based on what I've seen. And even though I don't work there anymore, Big 3 Telecom, I like to read the remarks. It's entertaining when you don't have to deal with it. And when you're on the I hate this company or I hate that company group complaining about them, that isn't going to do you any good. But what is going to do you good is if you go to your own company's Facebook group, and they've all got them. And what you do is complain there. Lay it all out. Man, my phone has been broken for 15 days. I called and made an appointment, and they say it's going to be 27 days till they can come out, maybe. Or, my internet goes up and down 10 times a day. I work from home. It's killing me. I'm going to lose my job. Whatever the case is, you put her out there. Now you're saying, what the hell good does that do? Well, I'll tell you what it does. These companies have employees that actually get paid to sit and search social media. Actually, they have scripts that run that go out and search social media for them and emails them results of all the bitching that you people do. And then what they do is they sift through these by area, depending on where you are, and in each area is a director. This guy is over the operations manager, and the operations manager is over the area service manager. Supervisor of regional operations, I think the most hated company calls it, and manager of regional operations. But at any rate, I got sidetracked there. So what happens is they will pass this email down to supervisor level in the field of a local area and say, hey, here's this guy's complaint. He's making us look bad on Facebook. I need you to get your best tech to go out and take care of it. They'll provide you with a copy of the Facebook rant. You gather all the information that's pertinent to the customer's account. Sometimes, depending on the situation, the supervisor will call you himself or herself. A lot of times it's up to the poor bastard that's coming out to get bitched at, the technician, to call and set up an appointment, say, hey, I see you're unhappy, we're going to take care of you, yada yada, and they'll come out. In most cases, unless it's just totally impossible due to equipment failure, but more commonly bad cable plant. In other words, they can't make copper pairs to your house because it's so damned old and there's nothing to switch to. Your problem's going to get fixed. I've laid copper line on the ground. I've strung it through cornfields. I've run it through trees. I've done all kinds of crazy shit to put people in service. Because when you get their attention, they want to take care of you. They will oil the squeaky wheel. It sucks to have telephone cable laid in your yard, strung through your trees, tied to your fence, but it does get you in service. And then sooner or later, hopefully sooner than later, the telephone company's contractor will come out and they'll bury the cable properly. Hopefully they don't destroy anything else when they do this, but it happens. And that is basically how you can get your problem fixed without attempting to email the CEO of the company, who probably isn't going to respond anyway. You get on your Facebook group, the company group, and make your voice heard. And the best thing you can do, as mad as you are, is be as polite as possible. Now, I'm not saying you gotta be super nice, but don't drop the F-bomb on them 3 times in every sentence. This doesn't help the situation. Not to mention, if the poor bastard that's coming out to fix your stuff, which I used to be one of, sees all this hate, it makes him a lot less likely to be friendly with you, and you get a lot further down the road being nice than you do mean. Because, as you can imagine, these poor technicians are beat up. They're beat up every hour, every day of every week, because they're not getting paid what they're worth. All they do is catch hell, and you're no appreciation at all from customers usually, or management. So this is how you take care of it. Good luck. Be nice to your tech if he shows up. Till the next time, this is a professor saying, see you later.